Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're a pasta lover like me, you'll know there's one golden rule. Never pour that pasta water down the drain. Today, I'm going to show you 4 awesome hacks to use that starchy goodness in your cooking. So hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty tips. Hack number 1, the ultimate pasta sauce. You've just finished cooking your spaghetti and you're left with a pot of liquid gold. Instead of draining it away, save a cup of that pasta water. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of pasta water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, finely minced, a pinch of chili flakes, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat, toss in the garlic and chili flakes, and sauté until fragrant. Pour in the pasta water and let it simmer until it reduces by half. Add your cooked pasta, toss it all together, and finish with a generous sprinkle of Parmesan. And there you have it, a silky, rich sauce that's to die for. Hack number 2, bread dough booster. Here's a little secret pasta water makes your bread dough extra fluffy. For this hack, you'll need 500 grams of bread flour, 300 milliliters of warm pasta water, 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix the flour and salt in a large bowl. Dissolve the yeast in the warm pasta water and let it sit for a few minutes until frothy. Combine the yeast mixture with the flour and salt, add the olive oil, and knead until smooth. Let the dough rise for about an hour, bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 25-30 minutes, and enjoy your fluffy homemade bread. Hack number 3, soup enhancer. Pasta water is a fantastic base for soups. Grab these ingredients. 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 cup of pasta water, 1 carrot diced, 1 celery stalk chopped, 1 onion finely chopped, and a handful of spinach. In a large pot, sauté the onion, carrot, and celery in a bit of olive oil until softened. Pour in the vegetable broth and pasta water, bring to a boil, and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Add the spinach right before serving, and you've got a hearty, nutritious soup. Hack number 4, creamy risotto. That's right, pasta water is perfect for making a creamy risotto. You'll need 1.5 cups of arborio rice, 1 cup of pasta water, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1/2 cup of white wine, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan. Sauté the onion in butter until translucent. Add the rice and toast it for a couple of minutes. Pour in the white wine and let it evaporate. Now here's the trick. Alternate adding pasta water and chicken broth 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly until the rice is creamy and cooked. Finish with Parmesan and you've got a risotto that's creamy perfection. And there you have it, folks. 4 amazing ways to use pasta water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on these kitchen hacks. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.